Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Another challenge is here. Nick and I today are going to be competing and seeing who can buy the best $2,000 mystery box with a combined value of $5,000 roughly of both boxes. Super excited today. We have two stores that are pre-making the boxes, so we're not putting them together at all. And we have to do a challenge to see who wins and gets to pick which store. And so, you ready for this today?
I'm super excited for this. I've been thinking about like our store options and stuff, and I think the two stores that we have lined up are gonna put some crazy boxes together.
So let's head to the city, do our challenge, and see who's gonna get which store. Let's go.
Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go, down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots around my neck.
All right, so we just made it down in Atlanta. Now is the time for us to pick who gets what store. I think we have to do it with the old-fashioned rock, paper, scissors.
I guess we have to keep that going. Like,
so again, we have Good Times Atlanta and we have Ecstatic Atlanta. So we're gonna go ahead, 2 out of 3 rock, paper, scissors. You saw one of the last videos, I took fat L's on rock, paper, scissors. But
go. 2 out of 3, we did it. All right. Let's go.
he predicted exactly what I was gonna do.
I switched up my game completely right there. I'm not even gonna lie. I was like, I'm gonna throw stuff I'd never throw and hope it works out.
All right, Nick, where do you want to go?
Honestly, I'm gonna say Ecstatic.
That's what I wanted to freaking do. Dang it. At Good Times, I'm putting all my faith in you. This is not a now. We're gonna take a W. Good Times, I'm gonna tell him, or the box is already made, so it doesn't matter. So we're gonna head to Good Times right now, and I'm gonna buy my box, and then we're gonna go to the other store, buy his box, and go back and open them up.
Come on, Con, you got your boy.
So the Mischief red boots, the Astro Boy boots, just dropped at 11 a.m. today. It's now 11:30. While I was picking up Nick, they were dropping, and I was able to get through, get my size in a size 11. They're like 380 bucks. You guys might think it's stupid. I think it would be fun to have at the warehouse, but these people, people are mad about these shoes coming out and being so expensive. Resells 1,000, we'll see where they go. It's an 8-week pre-order. They don't say pre-order, but it's basically a pre-order. 8 weeks you have to wait to get the shoes. Resells gonna die down.
Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go, down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots around my neck. Self-respect, when you out of line, you put.
All right, so got to Good Times. They just finished and wrapped up the box as we're walking in. So let's go and get their opinions on it, and then we're gonna pay and get out of here.
I think we went crazy. I really think this is like a hell of a bargain for.
Shout out to him for packing everything in there too, because
Yeah.
there's a
That was the hardest part, was really getting everything in. That's how you know there's a lot of stuff in here.
So, what's your opinion?
okay, so 2,000 is kind of tough, especially in this day and age where like shoes are like going for at least $200 to $300 to $400. But I think we did a really good job of like fitting as much as we could in there, so I'm proud of it.
And I'll say, we did rock, paper, scissors, and I lost, so he picked the store first, so I got you guys of him picking the other store.
Yeah.
So we gotta crush him because of that. Because the L on the rock, paper, scissors can turn into a W on the box. So that's
I
gonna be-
believe so. I believe this is a W box. Yeah, absolutely.
I need to pull a car around probably, because that's heavy. Yeah, I'm not carrying that all the way back to the deck. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, I'm hopping in here because I'm teaming up with the Container Store to give away 6 drop front cases just for you guys. And here's a little bit of information about the drop front boxes if you didn't know about it. These drop front cases are a great way to display your sneakers, keep them organized, stack them all the way up to the ceiling, but they also offer great protection for your sneakers from different things like the UV light. They keep dust off the sneakers and keep them nice and clean. These drop front cases are exclusive to the Container Store. They're made in the USA and they fit up to a size 16 sneaker, and they also feature ventilation holes. So the rules for this giveaway with the Container Store is very, very simple. All you're gonna do is you're gonna 1, follow the Container Store over on Instagram. Number 2, you're gonna leave a comment on this video right here with your Instagram username and why you want the Container Store drop front cases. The winner will be announced in 2 weeks time. We'll be posting it over on my Instagram. You guys will be able to see all my stories there. Thank you so much to the Container Store for sponsoring this video, and check out all the different products from the Container Store as well in the link down below.
Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go, down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots around my neck. Self-respect, when you out of line.
Just got over to Ecstatic, heading in.
Let's go.
They don't hear me though. Cycles going round and round and round like a merry-go.
Got a couple smaller boxes over here this time. Little boys versus big boy.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. After hearing he didn't tell us anything about what's in there, but he said there's something in there I might like, so I'm kind of excited for that.
force you, I have a bag to fit both of these.
I think you can carry it.
There you go. Enjoy.
All right, thanks, man.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Con. We'll see you around. We'll be back. All right, we made it back with the mystery boxes. Now we decide who goes first. I think since you got to pick your store, you get to go first.
Okay, that's fine with me.
All right,
Let's
so
do it.
I'm gonna move this out of the way.
All right, guys, so we're switching up the backdrop just a little bit. Got the trusty razor blade. Should I open the small box first, or should I save the small box and go for this box?
Probably save
I
that.
think I'm gonna save the small box. I think that might be something cool. So let's bust into it. Oh, he really taped this boy up.
Size reference, that's his box. That's mine.
Yeah, I got the smaller set. He got a bigger box. We're about to find out what's in here. I would think that maybe there's at least 2 or 3 shoes in here, but we're about to see. Okay, I'm already seeing something pretty cool that you're gonna like right off the rip. Oh,
yeah.
Okay. He's got some really cool stuff in here. He's got a shoe that's not in a box, but I'm gonna go for this one for Air Force One, certified lover boy. Y'all know these. In a size 7.5. Had them at $250 in store. Oh, this is a fresh shoe. I know everybody says, oh my God, it's just a white Air Force One, but really, the amount of times I've seen this shoe, I've filmed this shoe, held it in my hands, it is a lot higher quality than just a regular white Air Force One. And if you're looking for something to step your game up in the white Air Force One realm, I would definitely cop this shoe. So that's a good one, first shoe. I'm gonna go for this shoe that's not in the box because I have been a fan of this shoe for a long time, not gonna lie. The CPFM Air Max. This was a women's release only, I'm pretty sure, and you never see this shoe. We'll randomly be like going to stores and see it, but this is such a cool shoe. The way that they've always done their insoles the same, and all the different details on this shoe. I've always been curious on like what it feels like on feet. Harry, have you ever tried it on?
Never tried those. They're kind of weird. Vapor Maxes don't do well with my feet, so those are kind of weird. They had them at $500 in store. I think brand new, those are like a lot of money.
Yeah, these are expensive. This is a really hard shoe to find, so I'm excited about this. This is a different shoe for a mystery box. Really good pick, Colin.
What do we got left in there?
Okay, so there is a big box down here in the bottom. Only 3 shoes in the first box. I don't even know what this is.
So value-wise, you're at like $700.
Okay, this is a Flight Club box. Just straight
Replacement
up
box, probably.
Flight Club box. Ready? Okay. What are these? What are these? I don't think I've ever seen this SB before. They kind of got like it's like a, I don't want to say, like a Native American kind of like feather design. These are wild looking.
Brand new.
So Fly streetwear collab. Never seen this shoe, haven't seen any photos, but this is a really cool one.
Yeah, it's hard. What do you value that at? And
See,
this
that's
is
the
like
thing.
700.
For me, an unreleased SB, let me just like, I can go into like my SB knowledge and think about what I would think. I would say this shoe with the details on it, the colorway would maybe be like 300 to 500 early, something like that. I wouldn't see this shoe going that much crazier unless it's very limited in numbers. All right guys, here we go. Last shoe. I have a feeling with what we've gone through so far, I think we're at like, I'd say we're probably at like $12.50. Would you think something like that? Maybe.
Yeah.
Like $12.50 is what I'd value it at. This is the last shoe. We got to get at least $750, $800 out of this. Maybe a little bit more. Lots of just wrapping in here. Okay. All right, Con really put something nutty in here. What
No box?
We were just in the store the other day and I kind of got a glance at these.
Dang.
All right, unreleased Tiffany Air Force One.
That's a pretty big one.
Yo, this is a crazy shoe. The rope laces, they got all the different color laces with them. Oh man, this yellow, the Tiffany lace. I gotta say, this is a wild shoe. They got the Tiffany actual silver on the back, but my favorite part of the shoe, I don't know if you can see it, the Tiffany leather insole with the silver Nike logo. This is my favorite part of this shoe. It just seems so nice on the inside. I hate that you can't see it.
All right, we're looking up the price on these. I think brand new is size 8.5. These are going for $2,000. That's what they're going for right now. I'm gonna give my opinions on these while we got them over here.
That's the whole box.
I feel like that's crazy for like adding that stuff in the value. I will say it's the best Tiffany shoe that's out there. But you know, this is cool. But $400 retail. This is a cool one though. That's gonna give a lot of value. That's a good jump for a mystery box because it's a brand new shoe that's not come out.
That's so expensive. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is a really nice shoe. $400 retail. I think that makes sense, but if you're paying $2,000 resale, oof, That is really tough.
So before we move on, I just got a text from Khan after we filmed the video that he wants to give away a pair of the Tiffany Air Force Ones in a size 8. So the rules for that giveaway will be right quick. All right, guys, so I'm teaming up with the Static ATL to go ahead and give away a pair of Tiffany Air Force Ones in a size 8. Rules for that giveaway are very simple. You have to 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel right here. Number 2, follow me at harrisonnevel over on Instagram. Number 3, follow at Static ATL over on Instagram. The username will be on the screen as well as in the description. Number 4, leave a comment on the post that you see on the screen, tagging 2 friends for this giveaway. We'll be picking the winner in 3 weeks time. Good luck. Get you a pair of these Tiffany's before skyrocket in price. All right, so the boys at Good Times, they said that they're gonna win this. Having the two unreleased shoes, that's a tough one to go up against, but I don't know, man. This box is freaking heavy. Let's see what we got. All right, seeing some stuff, some weird stuff. The Yeezy, what are these called? The 450, size 11, at $100. Check this out. That's an odd shoe to me. That's like such a unique kind of shoe. Kind of looks like an alligator's foot, but that one's right there, no box on the top. But let's keep moving. They said to kind of go in like an order. So right here we have a grade school Stealth Jordan 5. They had them at $80, so there's like a smaller pair right there, size 5, and a nice smaller pair there. We're gonna have a lot of variety here with the amount of boxes that we have. So then, ooh, we got a nice pair of Dunk Low New York Knicks. They had these at $60. That's a steal. $60 for these, no box, 75th anniversary. Check that out. We got a lot of like variety to start off. The other Yeezy is right here. Pull that one out so it wasn't just one. We have another small size Jordan 3Y Atmosphere Jordan 1. Ooh, that's a good one. Is this the bubblegum one? This is the bubblegum one. Used, smaller size. And all these ones that aren't my size, guys, are gonna be up on the website, harrisonnevel.com, so don't forget that. We're already at 4 pairs deep already with these right here. So let's keep moving. They said to go in an order. This right here is gonna be the Jordan 1 Metallic Silvers. Right there, used. Had these at $100, 7.5, 6 men's. I'm going quicker than Nick is because I got so many shoes in here. When they say there's an order, that means it must be growing and growing. What do we get here? Oh, Good Times Atlanta sticker. Pull this out. Looks like another Jordan 1, smaller size 3Y, cool gray Air Jordan 11 right there. This is brand new, used. Cool gray 11s, smaller size 3Y. A lot of smaller sizes here so far. Look, that's a big box.
Your box looks like you pulled out a bunch of shoes, but you haven't pulled any shoes yet.
I know, like it's still literally, they fit so much on the top there. That's 6 pairs that they fit literally on the top. Pull this one out. This is gonna be a Sakai Vapor Waffle in a size 10. Which colorway? Ooh, this is the high. These are weird. I don't think I've ever seen the highs. They're kind of cool, actually. I feel like I kind of like that better than the lows. Check that, it's got like a bunch of like stitching and stuff on there, a bunch of leather. It's probably had a high retail. They had these ones at $200. This is I literally have never seen these before. I've seen a bunch of the lows, but that is a Sakai JPG high. So we still have so many more shoes in there, and we've opened 6 so far. We gotta move more down. This is why we're using the ping pong table. We gotta move more. Let's see, a Union. Is this the new, oh, this is the Union Cortez. Size 14. These didn't do crazy. I think resale wise, yeah, $100. They're a cool looking shoe though. I like the colors. And the Cortez, maybe it's just not the silhouette that a lot of people love, but I like the colors of these personally. The gray and all the different speckles. So size 14, great variety there. Literally, how did they fit this many shoes in this box? Okay, I see something I like there. Something I got on my feet right now. That is the Lost and Found Jordan 1s in a size 8. I really like these. This is a used pair. This is a really, really good shoe. I didn't think I was gonna be wearing these as much as I am, but this is a great one. In a size 8, they had them at $200 used. Value-wise, I feel like we're getting there, but there's so many shoes to count for me to even know. It does not physically seem like you would be able to fit all these shoes that we have here in this box, because we saw 4 left. All right, we got one on the side. This is a Air Jordan 13 Playoff right there. Older pair, used. They had those ones at $80. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs so far. We're looking at 13 pairs total for this box. All right, let's go. Here we go. I just saw the banger at the bottom. We got our hitter at the bottom of this. I don't know what size, I don't know which one, but it's there. We have a Jordan 4s. This could be no, it's not a metallic. Ooh, okay. This is the Tech White Jordan 4s. Those are my size 11.5. That's very clean. Clean colorway. I have no clue what these go for. It says on the box, $200 they had those at, used. You're able to get really good value out of used shoes. Definitely. I gotta move stuff around so much because we have so many pairs. The hitter is at the end. That's the one. So let's pull this one out. This isn't it. There's one more after this. This is a size 9 Jordan 1. See what we got. Ooh, I was not expecting this. The heaters are at the end. We got the 85 black and white Jordan 1s. This is a brand new pair that is, did they just release? I think they just came out
today or yesterday.
So, dang, I wish these were my freaking size. They're not going, I think they're like $300-400 bucks, but still. Everybody gets mad if you call these the Pandas, the Panda Jordan 1 High, the 85. These feel less stiff than the neutral gray 85s. The materials actually feel better on this one, that you could actually wear them. They improved that a lot. So we got, with the box, the box threw me off. I didn't know what it was. The brand new 85 high Jordan 1s. Hopefully they'll release more, but yeah, I took an L. That's cool. They got the card and everything on there. Great recent release there. We had a lot of like miscellaneous stuff there. And then, this looks like a bigger size. What size are we looking at? This is a size 4. It is a big size, 14. You'll be able to tell by the box. We got something. We got something. Woo! This is a Jordan 1 Travis Scott highs. Dang! Check that out, size 14. These new are way up there. Comes with everything in the box there. That's nuts. I wish I could fit those. That's like a great pair to wear. Last sale, $1,400, $1,500 new. They had them at $500, so check that out. Used pair, these are pretty big. I gotta find somebody who's a size 14. That's like a crazy difference in boxes. All right, guys, so now you have the two options that will be popping up on the screen. Number one is gonna be mine, 13 pairs of sneakers for $2,000. The second option is gonna be Nick's, which is 4 pairs of sneakers for $2,000. Right now, there's gonna be a poll link in the description down below for you guys to vote which box do you think won. Nick, what do you think after seeing it?
I cannot believe how many shoes were in your box. Seriously,
Facts.
Every time you pulled out like 5 shoes at the beginning, and then I looked over and it still looked like it was completely full. So I think Good Times killed it with the amount of shoes that they gave you, but my value, Con put my value off the charts.
Yeah, the Tiffany's, and not even like the money value, but the value of having those in a box, because we haven't even seen those yet. So vote in the description down below. The winner of that vote will come into play in a future video, just so you guys know we're trying to link everything up. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like down below. Shout out to Good Times. Shout out to Ecstatic for putting together those boxes. And we'll see you guys in the next one. This is Harrison and Nick, signing out.